Hi again. Now, this is a more interesting question. Consider the shape below. If the perimeter is 6x plus 12, identify the length of the missing side. So what do we know? The perimeter is when you add all the sides together. So if I add up all the sides, those add up to 6x plus 12. So this would be the perimeter. Now, if I want to get the missing side, I'm going to create an analogy here, just to help me out. If the perimeter is 15, and this side is 6, and this side is 6, what is the missing side x? Many of you will be able to jump to 3 right away. But what I'm going to say is a lot of you would probably take the perimeter, subtract 6, and see what's left over. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to take the perimeter and subtract the length of each side. So the side is equal to 6x plus 12 minus this side minus this side. So now this expression will represent the missing side length. So I get 6x plus 12 minus 4x minus 1. So I'm going to distribute that subtraction. I'm going to distribute that subtraction again. So that's minus 4x minus 1. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you here. And then I'm going to group like terms. So I have 6x minus 4x plus 12 minus 1 minus 1. And what I'm doing quickly in my head is I'm just organizing like terms. I actually haven't done any math yet. So 6x minus 4x, well, that would be negative 2x. Negative 2x plus 10. And that represents the side length. Great. What is the possible side length? Now, this is not an easy question. Let's maybe make it a little bit more concrete. Let's say that x is an element of the integers. Yeah? So, x can be, let me ask you, can x be 0? Yeah, I believe x can be 0. Can x be 1? I'll let you work out the possible range of the x values here. Because, I'll give you a hint, this side length must be positive. This side length must be positive. And remember, this side length must also be positive. Additionally, the perimeter has to be positive. There's only a few options ahead of you. So, for example, x is equal to 10 is not a possible solution because that means that this side